C-Trax Lite is an electrical central drive for light commercial vehicles, for trucks up to 7.5 tons, for buses in the same class, and even for pickups and vans up to 4 tons, and then it's able to accelerate then up to 140 kilometers per hour. The advantage of C-Trax Lite is that it's a compact unit which fits into all existing vehicles. It's a unit consisting of an electrical engine, an inverter, a gear set with common cooling and oil system, and could be placed into existing frames of trucks and buses. There is no need for special designs. C-Trax Lite is a pure electrical drive. It could take the energy from batteries of any kind. It could take energy from fuel cells, and so we are open to that, what even the customer like to install in the vehicle. To sum it up, C-Trax Lite is a very compact unit with a high power density with 150 kilowatts. It fits in all existing trucks and buses in that size, is without any local emission or pollution, is without noise, it's easy to drive, and the total cost of ownership is relatively low.